So if you want time from a senior manager at a company like British Airways, you need to get that one angle right. Look at what's hot. What are some of the biggest issues in the company? Is it cost savings? Is it revenue? Is it protecting passengers? Is it customer experience? If you come through with that one-liner proposition, which allows me to know, you know, then you're in.
Get the balance right between confidence and humility. So having the confidence in yourself that your time is valuable and you're worth their time, and also the humility to listen to them carefully, to be respectful of what they actually want in their time, and to know that in order to win business with them, they need to know that you're going to respond to their actual needs as opposed to making assumptions coming in.
It's best to be really thoughtful about what's reasonable to ask a C-suite member for. And the best way to understand what that might be is to do research. Research is your best friend. If there is a particular contact that they are connected to that you would want an introduction to, be clear about who that contact is. If you want to ask for who would be the best person, you don't want them thinking through how to help you. You want to have already done that research and said, this is the value that I bring and this is the key contact that I'd like you to connect me with. I think that's where you get the best results.
My biggest never do for talking to the C-suite is to turn the conversation into any kind of threat. Startups will often go in saying, your business is going to disappear. If you instead frame it as an opportunity, this value is going to be created in your industry and you can participate in it, you get a much more positive response immediately.
Sometimes it's daunting to go and speak with big, high-profile people. Don't be nervous. There's no reason to do that. Just make sure that you feel comfortable with what you're selling. Are you passionate about it? Do you believe it's the absolute best thing that you can offer? Then you'll be fine. There's no reason to be nervous. We'll see that through when you're pitching it to us.
I think there are three key big mistakes that people make when speaking to C-suite members. One is sending too much information. That they're not going to have the time to really deal with it, and I think you've squandered an opportunity. The second thing is to be too demanding. I think it's really important to understand what's appropriate to ask and what's appropriate for them to do for you. And then the third thing is not being clear about the precise action that you want them to take. I think the best things are very, very clear what the value is and very clear what the one or two main actions that you want the CEO to take.
As you face this new opportunity, make sure that you persist. Don't give up. There are always other angles that you haven't really thought about in pursuing your project. Other people, other places, other small twists to your proposition. Just make sure you don't give up, neither the first time, nor the second time, nor the third time. Keep going at it. There will always be an audience for you.